So we're here in Taupo, very sunny Taupo, but I can't go out in the sun, so these are going to be very, very quick. Waterfalls. That, wow, can't get these sorts of shots at max altitude reach, sure. Okay, this is scary now. I'm flying this back. Yes, land, yes, yep, good. This. How's that for a view? Can make it go higher too. Look at the town. And look down the river. This is so cool. Hello, drone. Taupo is probably one of the most beautiful places in New Zealand, and that is Lake Taupo. Quite a cool sign. I can't go out there though, it's too sunny. I have to stay in the shade here. That's the main waterfront area of the town. A lot of really nice restaurants. Nice cafes. That one's just being restored. That's my mum's store, Green Apples. Advertising for that. Little park. And that's it. I finally found somewhere where I can ride my Segway. I have to go back to Taonga now, so I'll see you next time.